Everything is okay?
No, it's not. Like I'm searching for some ETS competencies, you know, for them. So it's for trainers, it's for youth workers, and I taking some notes, so I don't know what to do else. I'm completely lost in this.
I think you don't have to use all these books, because there is a tutorial about ETS on the Google. You can find all about it.
As you are here, we assume you are a youth worker or youth trainer. So, what is ETS? We are not going to tell you that, because you should already know this. But if you want to dive deeper and find interesting publications on ETS, this is the right place for you. So, let's start. After Googling ETS strategy, you will end up in the Sell to Youth platform. And now there is no way out. On the main page, you can download two documents: European Training Strategy and ETS Messages. When you explore further, you will notice there is ETS Model Competence for youth workers to work internationally and ETS Competence Model for trainers. Let's check the first one. On your right side, you will see the publications about different competencies when it comes to this topic. All of them are based on 7 lifelong competence areas, so in these publications you can find more about each of them and why they're so important. Also, how to actually use and incorporate them into your youth work. When we go to ETS Competence Model for trainers, trainers are a core element when it comes to European youth work, particularly in the field of non-formal learning. And here you can find even more interesting publications. On your right side, you will see, for example, ETS Competence Model Amended Version, Tools to Get Started, different ETS practical tools and methods, self-assessment forms, also card game Hold Your S's methods, etc., etc. As you can see, there is a bunch of publications on ETS model, but since those are the lifelong competencies, you have the whole life in front of you to explore and develop them. Of course, in order to do that, you will need to move your ass and get things started. Good luck.